Simon says subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications.
Setting up inventory items in QBO plays a crucial role in helping you organize your product catalog, streamline the sales process, and ensure accurate financial records. In this module, we will walk you through the process of setting up inventory items in QBO and exploring best practices that will help you ensure smooth product management. Whether you're managing a small business with a few items or a larger business with an extensive product range, these steps will provide you with a solid foundation for effective inventory management. Setting up your inventory items in QBO involves entering key details about each product you sell. While this might seem like a simple task, attention to detail is important to ensure all relevant information is recorded and that your product setup is as comprehensive as possible. For Flourish bakeries, one of the essential inventory items is a common ingredient used in various baked goods. Here's how it's set up. Name, a clear and descriptive name such as the type of ingredient. SKU, which is optional. This is a unique identifier to help with stock keeping and tracking. Category, another optional field, a logical category that fits the item, like ingredients or supplies. Initial quantity, the number of units available when the item is added. As of date is the date when they begin tracking the item's stock level. Sales information. We have the sales price, the price at which Flourish Bakeries sells this ingredient to other businesses or customers, and the income account. This is the account linked to sales revenue. Let's have a look at some purchasing information fields. Cost. This is the purchase cost of the ingredient. Expense account is the account associated with tracking costs, typically cost of goods sold. Preferred vendor, an optional field. If Flourish Bakeries regularly purchases this ingredient from a specific supplier, this can be added here. Once all the required information is entered, click Save and Close to ensure the item is properly recorded in QuickBooks. Create a new inventory item. In the Product and Services page, click the New button located in the upper right corner. You will see several item types, including inventory, non-inventory, and service. Choose inventory to begin setting up your product as an inventory item. Flourish Bakeries also sells custom-made bakery items. Here's how they set up one of their popular finished products. They fill in the name, the SKU, the category, the initial quantity, and the as of date. Sales information is where Flourish Bakeries adds the sales price. This is the price that Flourish Bakeries charges customers for this finished product. Income account has been selected as the account where revenue from sales is recorded. In the purchasing information, cost, expense account, and the preferred vendor is added, ensuring that the product is ready for future sales and inventory management. After entering all necessary information, clicking Save and Close completes the setup of your inventory item. The product will now appear on your product and services list where you can manage and edit its details as needed. Let's walk through some tips for setting up inventory items. Use clear and consistent product names. Ensure that all product names are clear and easily distinguishable. Consistency in naming conventions makes it easier to find items and reduces errors during sales or purchasing processes. Fill in relevant details. While some fields such as SKU and category are optional, completing them provides you with better organization and more detailed reporting. It's particularly useful for businesses with a large number of products. Organize with categories. Categorizing your products can make managing your product catalog much easier. Categories also improve the quality of reports, helping you analyze product sales and profitability by group. Setting up inventory items in QBO is a foundational task that plays a critical role in your business's success. By carefully entering detailed information about each product, such as sales price, purchase cost, and product categories, you create a robust framework for managing your sales, expenses, and profitability. Once your inventory items are properly set up, you'll be able to access them for sales, purchasing, and reporting purposes. This level of organization not only streamlines your business operations, but also helps you maintain accurate financial records that reflect the true state of your company's performance. Tracking inventory in QBO is essential for managing stock levels, ensuring accurate financial reporting, and keeping your business operations running smoothly. With proper inventory tracking, you can avoid issues like overstocking or stockouts, maintain visibility into product availability, and monitor the financial impact of your inventory in real time. In this guide, we'll walk through how to efficiently track inventory in QBO, from enabling the feature to using the system's built in tools to stay on top of your stock levels. Tracking inventory in QBO offers several important benefits. Accurate stock levels. Tracking your inventory in real time reduces the risk of overstocking or running out of critical products. Cost management. Monitoring inventory costs help you manage your cost of goods sold, enabling you to assess profitability and price your products more effectively. Streamlined sales and purchasing. Automatically tracking inventory movement from purchase to sale ensures that stock levels and financial records are always up to date. Informed business decisions. With access to accurate and current data, you can make smarter decisions about restocking, adjusting product lines, and managing cash flow. Before you can track inventory, you need to enable the inventory tracking feature in QBO. This allows the system to monitor quantities and costs automatically. To enable inventory tracking, after logging into QBO, go to the Account and Settings page. Click the gear icon in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Select Account and Settings from the drop down menu. In the left-hand menu of the Accounts and Settings page, click on Sales. Scroll down to the Products and Services section. Check the box labeled Track Inventory Quantity on Hand. Click Save and then Done to confirm your changes. Once inventory tracking is enabled, QBO will automatically monitor your stock levels, making it easier to track inventory movements as you purchase and sell products. Here's how inventory tracking works in QBO. Let's say Flourish Bakeries not only tracks ingredients but also monitors the finished products, such as cakes and pastries, as they are sold. As products are sold, QBO adjusts the quantity on hand, ensuring that the bakery's team know when it's time to bake more. This real-time tracking also helps them see which items are selling fast and which might need a pricing or production adjustment. As inventory is purchased and sold, QBO updates the quantity on hand for each item. This is known as inventory adjustment. QuickBooks automatically adjusts the value of your inventory, helping you keep track of the financial impact of stock movements. As discussed earlier, QuickBooks tracks inventory in real time, giving you an up-to-date view of your stock levels at any moment. This feature ensures that your sales and purchasing team can make informed decisions about product availability and restocking needs. When inventory is sold, QuickBooks automatically deducts the cost of goods sold from your financial records. reflecting the cost of the items you have sold. QuickBooks monitors the value of your inventory based on the purchase cost of each item. It adjusts the total value of your stock as you purchase and sell products, giving you a clear view of how much capital is tied up in your inventory at any time. To get the most out of inventory tracking in QBO, it's important to follow these best practices. Regularly monitor stock levels. Make it a habit to review your stock levels regularly to ensure you have the right quantity of each product on hand. Use QuickBooks built in alerts to stay notified when inventory levels are low or when products reach their reorder points. Update stock quantities promptly. If you experience stock adjustments due to damaged goods, theft, or returns, be sure to update the quantities in QuickBooks as soon as these changes occur. Keeping your inventory data current ensures your stock levels and financial reports are always accurate. When it's time to reorder inventory, use QuickBooks to create purchase orders directly within the system. This allows you to track orders from vendors and automatically update stock levels when new products arrive. Keeping an eye on the cost of goods sold and overall inventory value helps you make informed decisions about pricing, restocking, and managing your cash flow. Use the COGS or cost of goods sold information provided by QuickBooks to assess profitability and adjust your pricing strategy as needed. By tracking inventory in QBO, you can ensure that your stock levels are always accurate, your product costs are closely monitored, and your financial reports reflect the true state of your business. Proper tracking enables you to streamline both the purchasing and sales processes, prevent stock issues, and gain valuable insights into your inventory's performance. Managing inventory orders in QBO is essential for maintaining optimal stock levels, ensuring smooth operations, and keeping your financial records accurate. QuickBooks Online makes it easy to create, track, and manage purchase orders, helping you restock your inventory efficiently and avoid stockouts or overstocking. In this module, we'll walk through the steps to manage inventory orders in QBO, from creating purchase orders to tracking received goods. Before creating inventory orders, it's important to ensure that your suppliers are properly set up in QBO. This allows you to quickly select the right supplier when creating purchase orders and track your purchasing history. To set up suppliers for inventory orders, navigate to the Suppliers page from the left-hand Expenses menu and by selecting Suppliers. This is where you will manage all your suppliers. Click the New Supplier button in the upper right corner and enter the supplier information such as name, email, phone, payment terms, and any additional information or instructions related to this supplier. Once you have entered the supplier's details, click Save to add them to your supplier list. At Flourish Bakeries, the team ensures that all key suppliers for essential baking ingredients like flour, sugar, and packaging materials are correctly set up in QuickBooks. This setup includes their contact information and payment terms to streamline future purchase orders and ensure that inventory orders are processed without delays. Creating purchase orders allows you to request inventory from your suppliers and ensure that your stock levels remain optimal. QBO makes it easy to generate and track purchase orders. To create a purchase order, go to the New Transaction button by clicking on the plus New button in the upper left corner and then selecting Purchase Order under the Suppliers column. Choose the supplier from whom you're purchasing the inventory. If the supplier isn't listed, click plus Add New to create a new supplier profile. Enter purchase order details such as the shipping address, terms, product or service, quantity, rate, and any additional notes or instructions related to this order. Once all the details are entered, you can either save the purchase order as a draft or send it directly to the supplier by clicking Save and Send. Once your inventory arrives, record the items received to update your stock levels and ensure the purchase order is closed accurately. To record received inventory, go to the Suppliers menu from the Expenses menu and by selecting Suppliers, to locate the supplier whose order you're receiving. Find the relevant purchase order and click on it to open. In the purchase order screen, click Copy to Bill to convert the purchase order into a bill. For each item, enter the quantity you have received. If you have received a partial delivery, record the number of units received. Click Save and Close to update your inventory levels and record the bill. QuickBooks automatically updates your inventory levels based on the items received. When Flourish Bakeries receives a partial shipment of baking supplies, they promptly record the received quantity in QuickBooks. This ensures that their stock levels are updated in real time and any remaining items on back order can be tracked so the team knows when to expect the rest of the shipment. Managing your inventory orders involves tracking order status, ensuring stock availability, and making timely payments to suppliers. To manage and track inventory orders, view open purchase orders in the Expenses menu and filter by purchase orders to see all open orders. When receiving partial shipments, keep track of the remaining quantities to be delivered. Please be sure to track payment due dates by ensuring bills for received inventory are tracked in the Bills section to avoid late payments. Managing inventory orders in QBO ensures optimal stock levels and streamlines your purchasing process. By creating and tracking purchase orders, recording received items, and utilizing QuickBooks reports, you can maintain healthy supplier relationships, stay on top of reorders, and keep your financial records accurate. With QuickBooks' powerful inventory management tools, handling inventory orders becomes a seamless part of your business operations, allowing you to focus on growth and profitability.
Hi, from everyone at Simon Says It. We hope you're enjoying this training lesson. Please like this video to show your support for the channel. If you want to take your learning further, earn a certificate for this course, and gain access to over 200 courses ad-free, click up there and go to simonsaysit.com. Thanks for watching, and back to the course.
Adjusting inventory levels in QBO is an essential task for maintaining accurate stock levels. Accurate inventory management helps prevent stock shortages, overstocking, and financial reporting errors, giving you a clear view of your business's inventory status. In this module, we'll walk you through how to adjust your inventory levels in QBO to ensure your records are up to date and accurate. Before adjusting stock levels, it's important to understand when and why an adjustment is needed. Common reasons for adjustments include physical stock count, a discrepancy between the physical count and the quantity recorded in QuickBooks, damaged or lost goods. Inventory items that are damaged, spoiled, or lost need to be removed from your stock. Returns, customer returns that affect the quantities of products on hand. Inventory shrinkage, losses due to theft or administrative errors. At Flourish Bakeries, the team conducts a monthly physical inventory count. During one count, they notice that several bags of flour have been damaged due to a storage issue. They immediately identify the need for an inventory adjustment to reflect the actual usable quantity on hand. Once you have identified the need for an adjustment, you can easily update your inventory levels in QBO. To adjust inventory levels, log into QBO and navigate to the Products and Services page. You can access this page from the left-hand Sales menu and by selecting Products and Services, where all your inventory items are listed. Find the item that needs adjustment and click the drop-down arrow next to Edit. Select Adjust Quantity from the drop-down menu to open the adjustment window. Enter the adjustment details, such as new quantity. This is the new quantity for the item based on your physical count or the number of damaged returned items. Adjustment date. This is the date of the adjustment. And then the reason for adjustment. You need to provide a reason for the adjustment that you are making, such as damaged goods or physical count discrepancy. After reviewing the details, click Save and Close to update the level for that item. While making inventory adjustments is necessary, it's important to implement practices that minimize the need for frequent adjustments and maintain accurate stock records from the start. Let's discuss some best practices for preventing inventory discrepancies. Conduct regular physical counts. Schedule regular inventory counts to compare actual stock with recorded quantities. Track returns and damages. Ensure that customer returns and damaged goods are promptly recorded in QuickBooks. Implement inventory controls. Use best practices like secure storage and the FIFO or first in, first out method for perishable items. Use reorder points. Set reorder points for each inventory item to avoid stockouts and overstocking. Monitor inventory reports. Regularly review inventory reports to identify and address potential issues early. Adjusting inventory levels in QBO ensures your stock records are accurate, your financial reports reliable, and your inventory management process streamlined. By regularly adjusting inventory, monitoring reports, and implementing best practices, you can optimize the levels and make better purchasing and sales decisions. With QuickBooks' powerful and easy to use inventory management tools, maintaining accurate stock levels becomes a simple and efficient process. Inventory reporting in QBO provides valuable insights into your stock levels, inventory value, and sales performance. By utilizing the built-in inventory reports, you can monitor the quality of products on hand, track the cost of goods sold, or COGS for short, and ensure accurate financial reporting. In this guide, we'll explore the key inventory reports available in QBO and how to use them to manage your inventory effectively. QBO offers several reports that help you track stock levels, stock value, and sales performance. Below are the most important reports and how to use them effectively. Starting off with the Inventory Valuation Summary Report. This report provides an overview of your current inventory, showing the quantity on hand, average cost, and total value of each item. This report helps you track the overall value of your inventory and assess how much capital is tied up in stock. You can use this report to monitor stock levels, track inventory value, and assess purchasing needs. You can use this report to identify which items need to be reordered based on their current quantities. At Flourish Bakeries, the inventory valuation summary shows that their high demand baking ingredients are running low. This helps the bakery plan a timely reorder to ensure they can meet customer demand during a busy period. The Inventory Valuation Detailed Report provides a detailed breakdown of all transactions including purchases, sales, and adjustments. This report shows how the quantity and value of your inventory change over time, helping you track the flow of goods in and out of your business. You can use this report to track inventory movements. You can review all transactions affecting your inventory, such as purchases, sales, and adjustments. You can analyze changes in stock value and ensure accurate record keeping. You can use this report to verify that all stock related transactions are properly recorded in QuickBooks. The stock status by item report shows the current quantity, reorder points, and backorder status for each inventory item. This report is useful for tracking which items are low in stock or need to be reordered, helping you avoid stockouts or overstocking. You can use the stock status by item report to identify low stock items and quickly spot which items are running low and need to be reordered. You can monitor reorder points and ensure that the reorder points are set accurately to maintain optimal stock levels. You can also track back orders and check for any items that are on back order and plan your purchasing accordingly. For instance, Flourish Bakeries runs the stock status by item report and identifies that their key ingredient, chocolate chips, is nearing its reorder point. This allows them to place an order in advance, avoiding potential delays in production. The Sales by Product Service Summary report provides insights into the sales performance of each item, showing the quantity sold and the total revenue generated. This report helps you identify your top selling products and analyze the profitability of each item. You can use the Sales by Product or Service Summary report to monitor product performance, adjust purchasing history, and evaluate pricing strategies. By assessing the profitability of each product and adjusting pricing to maximize margins. By leveraging the insights from inventory reports in QBO, you can make informed decisions about purchasing, pricing, and inventory control. Here's how you can use these reports to improve your inventory management practices. Optimize stock levels. Use the stock status by item report to identify items that need to be reordered or discontinued. This helps prevent stockouts or excess inventory. Inventory valuation summary report shows the current value of your inventory. Use this data to make smart purchasing decisions and manage cash flow by reducing overstocked items. Use the sales by product service summary report to identify which products are most profitable, adjust pricing, or focus on marketing efforts for high margin products. Track how quickly inventory items are selling by reviewing the sales by product service summary report. This helps you identify slow moving items that may need discounts or promotional efforts. Use inventory reports to track how well your vendors are performing. If you notice stockouts or delays in receiving goods, consider negotiating better terms or finding new suppliers. QBO allows you to customize the reports to focus on the specific data you need. Customizing reports enables you to gain deeper insights into your stock and make decisions based on relevant information. Customize inventory reports. Run the inventory report first. Use the filter options to customize the report. You can filter by date range, product category, specific inventory items, or vendors. Customize the report's layout by adding or removing columns. For example, you can add columns for specific fields such as the product SKU or reorder points. Once you have customized the report, click Save Customization to save the settings for future use. You can access your customized reports under the Custom Reports section. If needed, export the report to Excel or PDF format or print it for sharing with team members or for offline review. Inventory reporting in QBO provides essential insights that helps you manage your stock levels, track inventory value, and optimize your purchasing and sales strategies. By using the key inventory reports available in QuickBooks, you can gain a clear understanding of your inventory's performance, make data-driven decisions, and improve your overall inventory management process. With QuickBooks customizable reporting features, tracking inventory becomes easier, helping you maintain optimal stock levels, prevent losses, and boost profitability. Adjusting inventory quantities is sometimes necessary to account for discrepancies like spoilage, breakage, or theft. Accurate adjustments ensure your financial records and inventory levels remain reliable. Let's explore how Flourish Bakeries can adjust its inventory in QuickBooks Online. As you watch, pause the video after each instruction to try it out in your own QuickBooks account. For Flourish Bakeries, let's adjust the quantity of a common ingredient due to spoilage. Ensure the adjustment reflects accurately on the financial records, and update inventory for a seasonal product post-holiday sales. We'll start by accessing the area where you can make inventory adjustments. Go to Plus New on the left side menu, then select Inventory Quantity Adjustment under the Other screen. This screen lets you adjust quantities for any inventory items with real-time updates to quantities and cost values. Pause the video to navigate to the Inventory Quantity Adjustment screen in QuickBooks. Familiarizing yourself with this screen will make future adjustments smoother. When ready, continue to the next step. Now, let's make an adjustment for an inventory item such as an ingredient that has partially spoiled. Under Inventory Item, select the product you need to adjust. In the New Quantity field, enter the updated quantity after accounting for spoilage. In the Adjustment Account drop-down, select the appropriate account to record this adjustment, like Cost of Goods Sold or Shrinkage Inventory Loss, to reflect the cost impact. Pause the video to select an inventory item and enter a new quantity in your own account. If adjusting due to spoilage, make sure to choose an account that reflects this, such as shrinkage. Resume when ready. By adjusting inventory quantities in QuickBooks Online, you help ensure that your stock levels and financial records stay accurate and up to date. Now it's your turn. Log into QBO and practice adjusting an inventory item. Rewatch this video if you need to review any part of the process. Happy managing!
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full course that this video came from, click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.